What is up, guys? I'm here at the shop. As you can see here, we're all posted here. We are currently doing a transmission swap on a WRX TR. Here's my boy Jose. Hey, where's the engine? It was just in there. Oh, you took it out? Oh, damn. You took that thing out. But here it is. The tranny's right there. This is a buddy of mine, Cameron's. Cameron, oh Cameron. Oh Cameron, oh Cameron. This guy. So we're doing a swap. He bought my buddy's 6-speed because his car has a 5-speed. Damn. Yeah, you can hear something's around in there. I don't know. Might be some metal, some gears. But we have the tranny right there. We are doing a couple of other things too. We're swapping the drive shaft. That is a automatic drive shaft that does help with this one. It does have some wheels in the back that we are also going to be putting on as well, because these are someone else's. Well, he has a little good setup, a little HKS, all the way down to a Cobb downpipe. But yeah, this is the old drive shaft. We ended up taking out his axles. The homies Tristan and Hugo, they literally took it out in within about, I would say, in 30 minutes. This car has been through a lot. I've seen a couple of these before. Dude. Cameron, you better check that out, my boy. I know you've been keeping up with the oil changes, but damn. We are going to be swapping everything out. He did drop off the last bit of parts yesterday for the transmission swap. He brought in, of course, the linkage, the slave cylinder, the drive shaft and everything. So we're just trying to get it running for him. He does have wheels in there that we are also going to put tires on, because he does need to get this car running, because it's been sitting for, I would say, about a year or two ish. I came up with the buyer for him, my buddy Hugo. I sold him he sold him the transmission, so that's gonna be, he was looking for it. He was planning on doing a swap. Just told my homie, hey, my homie, he's trying to sell this. He's trying to buy this. He's trying to buy that. What's up? So we have it in the shop. We're gonna get this thing done because it's 4 o'clock right now. We started at 1:30, but right now we had to do some other things, so we're gonna get this thing done. Everything else came out pretty easily. Everything down here was all lubricated with engine oil, so as you can see right there, it's all, everything came out easily. We're gonna just tag team this thing, get it in, because Hugo was hungry. He wanted to go to Jack and a Crack. And yeah, we're gonna get this thing done. Hopefully get it running by today. Oh shoot. And then yeah. Oh geez. Why is it like that? Has it been like that the whole time? Sorry about that, guys. See you guys in a bit. Yeah. Oh, wait. Focus. Yeah. Damn.
The front was the same, but I cleaned it up for it.
You already saw the front end of it, right?
Huh?
The front end was where you can see all the oil build up and all those shavings. I got poked by one on my finger. I heard it.
Look at the fucking teeth.
Jeez, right?
And this one, I think, is the one that came. Yeah, this is the one that came from the front, from the transmission.
See, you can see a little piece of metal.
Yeah,
right there,
from the
just
transmission, and then this one from the rear. Sheesh.
Oh yeah, put the new Deefy.
No, it's the old one.
Oh.
We gotta remove the axles.
Oh, because you guys are gonna do the swap on the rear one too, right?
Yeah.
His shit fucked. That's why we swapping. So here's a little quick update. We ended up taking out the rear diff. I was helping my boy Tristan with. Here it is. This stud stuck on there, but that one didn't. Bolt came right off of it, clean, and the stud. Took out both axles. We got the rear diff out, which we're gonna put an STI rear diff, and then everything else, of course, we're gonna take out the shifter. But damn, bro, he does have his rust prevention going on, which is pretty good. What's kind of weird was this guy's car has two different freaking arms here. These two are the same, but this one isn't, and then that one looks like it's like from AutoZone or something. One of them Auto Bees. You know about what says over there. That's the first engine that he took out on that silver SRT, which is out here. And now he's taking out the engine on that black one, so he's gonna pull out two engines in like a span of like 3 hours. Cameron, if you watch this, bro, you better you better take care of your car, bro. Yeah, I remember I had a pair of these rusty struts. I remember those. Those were the days. Well, he has BCs in the front, which we are also going to try to see if we can repair his other ones, because those are seized, and he couldn't do them himself. So we're gonna try to see if we can get those too. Right now we're gonna take off the shifter, and then that's when we're just gonna go ahead and put everything back together. Put some diff fluid in the rear and the front. Put the other drive shaft. Oh wow, I didn't know that, Cameron. We are adding a clutch, ACT clutch. What is that, like stage what?
It's like the street light.
We installed a new shifter, which goes with the 6-speed. Clutch is in. I'll probably diff and then drive shaft and then call it. Hey, don't say anything.
This guy is recording a video and then he's doing something, but he ain't doing shit. Look at me.
Look at me.
I'm the boys over here like, yeah, this clutch right here, bro, it holds all this power. He's reading all that shit on Google, my boy. Don't believe anything he said.
I'm heading back to the shop. We had a stopping point yesterday because we didn't have a spring and the reverse lockout pin, but we can still run the car. Other than that, we're going to be doing other things that what my friend wanted to do to the car. Unseize the coilovers, replace the front brakes, the rotors, and then install new shoes. What you found there, my boy?
Oh, what the hell you got going on over here? No coilover action in the front. Oh, that transformation.
What up, bitch? What's up, bitch? Damn, my boy. Damn, you that baby gap? What? Yeah, exactly, right? Wait, is that a new shirt? Is that a new shirt?
Nigga, this is old as hell.
For real?
I just don't work because it's peeling.
Oh shit, yeah. Oh damn, my boy. Oh yeah. Damn, dude, chill. Let me open the sunroof real quick. But here it is. We got this thing running. With all the oil leaks coming out of it. Look at there. And he did have a little leaky after this car for what, sitting for like about a year or two. This thing's running now. We put the bumper on. He has the hood that he's gonna put on himself because it's like a carbon fiber. Basically the only nice thing. Just kidding, Cameron. And the 6-speed. Bitch, start running, motherfucker. I'm over trying to do a freaking little cinematic video, and this thing just started rolling back. But honestly, there you have it. Did a 6-speed swap on a 5-speed that was completely fucked, messed up. My bad. But it's running. It has a lot of issues with the engine. I mean, there's a bunch of leaks. Well, it's not smoking anymore, and it's rolling back again. God, pulled all the way up. This thing still rolls. Look at that. Cameron, you need to stop bullshitting with your car, bro. Yeah, that was basically the whole thing of a 6-speed swap on a WRX TR. He had a little 5-speed that was just shit because of him. So, but yeah, that is done. That is the end of this car. Customer's happy that he got his car back after 2 years. So we're chilling now. He's happy, we're happy.
Did the car got fixed?
Yeah, I needed a battery.
The battery did?
Okay, my boy, I see you.
Took a little too long, my boy.
I see you.
Yeah, I fucking swung out and I hit the door and I was like, fuck, you hurt me.
My boy, try to scare me, my boy.
Oh, it's a video too. But you didn't really get it.
Damn. But yeah.
That shit all blurry too. Oh, yeah.
Oh, he was recording the whole time? I was right here.
Can you see it? Well, the turbo had the phone was by the turbo.
Ah, the motherfucker.